a spectacular display of skill and determination, De Wolf of the Nestaan Husqvarna factory racing team claimed victory at the MXGP of Spain, solidifying his position at the top of the MX2 2024 championship standings with 113 points. De Wolf's dominance was evident throughout the weekend, starting with a commanding performance during qualifying, where he secured pole position. He continued his winning streak into Sunday's races, clinching victory in the opening Moto at the intu Xanadú-Arroyomolinos. In the second Moto, De Wolf showcased his prowess by swiftly maneuvering through the pack from 4th position on the first lap to take the lead on lap 4. Despite briefly losing the lead mid-race, he fought back and secured 2nd place, securing the overall win for the weekend. His teammate, Lucas Koenen, also put in a solid performance with consistent 3rd and 4th place finishes in both motos, earning him 4th place overall for the weekend and boosting him to 4th in the championship standings. Looking ahead, the FIM World Motocross Championship gears up for the next challenge at the MXGP of Sardinia in Riola Sardo on April 7. Reflecting on his victory, De Wolf expressed gratitude to his team and emphasized the hard work behind his success. Koenen, while slightly disappointed with missing out on the podium, remains determined and looks forward to the upcoming races.